In this short video tutorial, we're going to see how to use one of Smart Notebook 17 add-ons known as the Lesson Recorder. Like the other add-ons, it can be found under the puzzle piece icon over here on the left-hand side. And when I bring it out, you'll see that the Lesson Recorder is in the center on the right there. So the Lesson Recorder allows you to record the actions on one Smart Notebook page and then play them back either for yourself during your lesson or for your students if you share the Smart Notebook file. Now it's important not to confuse the Lesson Recorder with the Smart Recorder. The Smart Recorder will record any actions on the page regardless of the software program or website being used on the page, and it will also record audio coming in through a microphone. The Lesson Recorder only records inside of Smart Notebook software the actions on one particular page in the Smart Notebook software, and it does not record any audio, so you would not be able to narrate over top of your recording for your students. So I'm going to go ahead to the next page, and we're going to demonstrate using the Lesson Recorder for our students. I like to use something that I remember learning in my own early education, and that is the FOIL method. If you ever learned FOIL, you know that this was a way to distribute in math in order to solve a problem similar to what is written on my screen right there. So x plus 4 times x minus 4. And FOIL stood for first, outer, inner, last to remind the students the order to work this problem. So instead of working example problems over and over and over again for my students, if I record the actions on this page, I can play them back over and over for the students, or as I said previously, if I share this file and make it available for my students, they can play the actions back over and over again. So let's go ahead and get out our Lesson Recorder and see how to record the steps in this particular problem solving. So I'm going to click again on my puzzle piece add-ons icon, and I'm going to select my Lesson Recorder. Once this window launches, you'll see a recording tool available for me. Right there, this black bar says New Recording, and I can simply click to begin recording what I'm doing on this page. You'll see underneath, grayed out right now, we have a rewind, playback, and fast forward option. Once we have completed or begun the recording, we'll also get a stop tool that will be available. So I'm going to go ahead and select that I'm making a new recording. And then I'm going to select my pen, and I'm going to stop narrating while I do this recording because it's not going to capture the narration in the Lesson Recorder, as I said previously. So I'm going to go ahead and do these steps silently. So now that I've finished my recording, I went ahead and I clicked the stop button down there, and this toolbar that you see in the lower left-hand corner of our screen is going to save as a part of this Smart Notebook page. So all we would have to do at this point is go up to File in the Notebook menu up here and choose Save, and then we could play this page back either, as I said, for ourselves as the teacher, or if we made the notebook file available to our students, they could click the playback button. So let's go ahead and click play so you can see how it redoes the actions on the page. So that's a quick example of using the Lesson Recorder to capture information on one page in a Smart Notebook lesson for the students.